Hello friends, a very happy and breezy morning to all. Myself, Krishna from Senior KG is going to tell you about my dreams. My dream is to be an astronaut, to explore, discover and learning about the space. Friends, do you know there is no air in space? Then how can you breathe? This is my spacesuit. Helps me breathe in the space. But keep me safe in the space. This is my oxygen tanks. This is my oxygen tanks. Helps me breathe in the space. My next mission is gaganyaan. Gaganyaan will help me go into the space. Gaganyaan made by our own ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Then I will go into the space and collect more information given to ISRO. Friends, wish me all the best to keep my country proud. Thank you.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Christmas!